Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can cancel your Sooka subscription. So first up, open up your website and then go to your account here on Sooka website. And you can also do this method to your mobile device. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon right there at the top right and then select on subscription packs. Once you click on that, you'll find your current subscription in Sooka. So what you're going to do is just find the cancel button and you just need to cancel your subscription. Now, another way to cancel the subscription is by going to the customer support. So basically go to the help section and then from here, just need to find the topic where you need to be able to cancel your subscription on Suka. Now, a third method here that I'm going to do is by going to your Google Play Store if you're using Android device or App Store if you're using iOS. So search for your Google Play Store, for example, and then go to your profile icon at the top right-hand corner. Now from here, you just have to select on payments and subscriptions, and then go to the subscription. So once you go to the subscriptions, then here you will find your current subscription, including the Suka. So you just have to cancel it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.